Welcome back to another makeup tutorial, you guys. Today we're using new makeup products from Beauty Glaze, well basically from JBEVES, and Beauty Glaze, Kleancolor, Amuse, and WetnWild today. I'm excited to share this video with you guys, and yes. So first we are going to use our cucumber spray from WetnWild to prep our face with. I think this product is okay for prepping. It doesn't work as good as my other primers, but my makeup still lasts all day. Now I super sped this up because this is just the ColorWorks color correcting palette, and I've done a full review on that, and if I can remember I'll link it below. This is the Amuse 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I have it in the lightest shade. It's a doe foot applicator, and it is in a tube, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. And this product did not oxidize, which I'm very happy with. It blends out very nicely. It can be built up to a medium coverage. It's nothing like spectacular, but for $1 you really can't beat it, and it does do what it's supposed to do. But you can build it up to a medium coverage, and that's it. It doesn't have the greatest coverage unless you build it up, and then I'm afraid that you may start looking a little cakey. I'm going to set it with this e.l.f. pressed powder, but overall I'm pleased with it, with the coverage that I do get for an everyday kind of use. I've used it several times and I really actually do like it. We're going to buff that out with our kabuki, and there it is. e.l.f. loose powder under my eye to catch fallout, and we're using the Kleancolor eyeshadow primer. Only $1 on JBEVES, and it's really nice. Now here is the Beauty Glazed URANUS palette, and this is a Huda Beauty dupe for Emerald. So we're taking that beautiful minty matte shade that everyone has raved about, and we're applying that in our crease. I'm actually really happy that I did not splurge on the Huda Beauty Emerald palette like I was going to, because I found these for $5.99. They have all 5 palette dupes and minimal fallout, and the pigmentation is there. I like it. I did see these swatched side by side. There were a couple shades that were kind of off, but I mean, who cares? They're still dupes. And I'm using a darker green, and I'm applying that in the crease, and we're going to blend that with a minty shade. I love this fade, and they blend so nicely, you guys. And we're taking the lime green in the eyeshadow palette, the first shade. It's so beautiful and shimmery. Applying that all over the lid, up into the crease just a little bit, the inner corner a tad, and we're just going to build the shade up. These are so beautiful, you guys. You definitely have to check these $5.99 palettes out. We're just going to keep building up that lime green. We're just going to go in and blend our edges down of all our shades together. We're taking the brown in the palette, the matte brown. I'm applying that in the outer corner just to add some depth there. And I'm using a pencil brush for this as well. And we're just going to pat that in there, blend the lime green with the brown, blend that beautiful teal shade in the crease with the brown, and by the time we're done it's kind of going to look like a dark kind of greenish shade. And I'll just keep blending. Blend. I feel like that's all I ever do. I'll just keep applying colors and blending. We're using the Maybelline matte bar and the lightest shade in the palette as our highlight. None of these, hardly any of these Beauty Glaze palettes have highlights in them that I ordered off the JBEVES website, so I just use an alternative. So we're just going to blend once again all the edges down, wipe away our fallout. So we're going to take that teal shade, we're going to apply that to our lower lash line. We're just going to build it up and kind of smoke it out at the same time. We're going to apply the lime green to the inner corner of that. and I just really love how this look came out. I love blues and greens, and especially greens, and I just love this little eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful. Once again, we're using Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tight line with, and next up we're using the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Booster to do a thin line for our lashes.
Yes,
and for lashes, we're using the LaColors DramatiLash and Dainty Kiss Lash Adhesive. And boy, is this lash being very stubborn today. I'm having so much trouble with this eyelash. Now, once it's on, we're going to conceal that band with our Physicians Formula eyeliner pen. We're using the LaColors EyeTensity Mascara to bond the lashes with the real lashes, and using it on our lower lash line as well. So there's the finished look. And for lips, of course, we're using a nude lip. We're using 920 Nude Lust from Maybelline. We're using the Rimmel's Highlight and Contour palette, and I'm using the bronzer in the palette to bronze with. I'm taking the Kabuki and blending that out. We're using the blush in the trio as well. It's very beautiful coral blush that is perfect for the pale skin. And we're using the WetnWild MegaGlo highlighter here in the jar. Found this at Walmart, and I think it's called You Go Girl. Something like that. It'll be in the description box, the product list. But these highlighters are the bomb.com. Look how beautiful that is. We're just going to apply that to all of our highlight spots, our cheekbones, our nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and the forehead. And these highlighters are so beautiful. If you want to glow, this is the way to go. It's very beautiful. So we're going to blend all that out again and just make it all blend out flawlessly. Very beautiful. Blend together, looks very nice. Oh, look how beautiful this highlighter is. It's so beautiful. But yes, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you'll check out those Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palettes. I will link them in the description below. Thank you always for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more Beauty Glaze makeup tutorials, and thank you always for watching.